Following is rated TV MALSV. It contains strong language, violence, and nudity. It is intended only for mature audiences. Viewer discretion advised.
What is up, YouTube? It's your boy D-Lo back with another video, man. Everybody make some noise for Team D-Lo, man. Give me a round of applause. I got a special video for y'all today, man. We about to get into a prank video, man. I got my family as my victims. And shit, I got this fake remote control mouse. And shit, man, I'm gonna let y'all see for yourself. You know what I'm saying? A remote control mouse, man. This bitch look real as fuck. Look. So you just walking and you see that though. Come on now. That look too real. You know what I'm saying? And it's remote control though. Hey, I didn't get enough film for this video, so if y'all want to see a part 2, man, just let me know if y'all want to see a part 2. Drop a comment. It ain't that hard. Your big ass hands can drop a comment, man. It ain't that hard. But yeah, though, also, if you're new to the page, make sure you hit that notifications bell. Just turn it on. Like, you gonna know every time I post a video, like, it's gonna pop up on your phone. You just click and, hey, you write another video with me. You get to see this face every time. Like, yeah, though, man. And also, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, man. If you want to be a part of Team D-Lo, you gotta hit subscribe. Also, like it too. But yeah, man, let's go up and let's get into the video. Gang.
Oh, you got kids who been putting you down? Is there, why you feel like? And come to find out, you come up here today. What is that? Oh,
Do it no more. What is that, bro?
What is that? Oh shit! That shit scared the fuck out. Hey.
It ain't no paperwork for that. Amazon, I can just tell you. I tried to get it.